Hello friends, welcome to our channel Better Life, Better Health. In this video, we are going to talk about one of the ancient Indian technique for improving performance of your brain, which has been rediscovered recently and named as Super Brain Yoga. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button below. Done? Great. Now let's get started. If you were born in India before or during 1990s, I am pretty sure you would have received punishment from teachers in school to hold your ears and do sit-ups for not doing your homework or failing in tests. If you were a brilliant student and never got punished, then at least you would have seen your classmates getting it. It's a very common form of punishment in Indian schools, or at least was till 90s and early 2000. If we track it back, its origin could be traced back to several centuries. It was very much prevalent in ancient India. Ever wondered why would anyone come up with this kind of punishment? I mean, it's not very difficult to perform, it's almost effortless. Hitting someone would be more effective punishment, isn't it? But surprisingly, this was still the most popular punishment for centuries. So there must be something definitely which made this so popular. Until only very recently, it was discovered that it's one of the yoga exercises for brain development. In ancient India, this punishment was meant for students who were not up to the mark, and this acted as exercise for development of their brains and to get them at par with other students. But later on, as it happens with other things, as time passed, the main reasoning behind this was lost and it was used just as form of punishment without realizing benefits it offered. This same punishment is now introduced as form of yoga exercise and named as Super Brain Yoga. Now let's understand how this Super Brain Yoga is performed. Step 1. Stand straight with feet shoulder width apart, preferably stand facing east. Step 2. With your left hand, hold your right earlobe. Hold it in a way that thumb is on outer side and index finger on inner side. Step 3. Similar to step 2, now hold your left earlobe with your right hand. Step 4. In this posture, keeping your back straight, perform squats. Please remember, you should inhale air while going down and exhale while coming up. Perform such squats daily either 7, 14 or 21 times. Our earlobes have acupressure points which are linked to brain. By pressing them, brain gets stimulated. Also by squatting while keeping acupressure points, more energy is diverted from lower part of body to brain, leading to further development of brain. Some of the benefits of doing this Super Brain Yoga are improved memory, better concentration, improved focus and overall development of brain and many more. But you need to do this daily for at least a couple of months to experience benefits. It would take not more than a minute and a half. So why wait? Do this simple exercise daily and reap amazing benefits of this amazing ancient Indian exercise or punishment if you like to call it.